Welcome. Let's build some flexibility and agility in a very short but effective movement session. Just gently sweep your arms down below. Reach them up as high as you can whenever you're ready. Remember to crisscross. Left arm in front, right arm in front. Just join me for some nice Qigong styled movements where we simply connect our breath to the movement, move gently but with real intention for maybe less than 10 minutes or so, because it is spectacularly beautiful out right now, but it is cold. So we want to move with intention, but just in a short session so I don't freeze to death. It's not that bad. Oh, it is wonderful. Oh, no bad weather. Only bad clothing, as we say here in the Nordics, as well as we say here at Everyday Energy. Okay, let's start to open up. I'm gonna squat down just a tiny bit. This is the limit of my squatting abilities. You just do what works for you. But most importantly, open up nice and wide. Bring your shoulder blades together. Find a movement that works for you so that we can't increase our range of motion, continue to create more flexibility and mobility in our body every single day. Ooh, nicely done. Last one there. Okay, let's gently just make some neck circles. Just really notice here. Just move your chin downwards and up. I invite you to close your eyes. Change the dynamic. When we close our eyes, we help with our proprioception. Helps us with our balance and coordination. Let's start to circle the other way. Maybe you notice you just get a little bit more dynamic. You can breathe in and out. One more. How about it? Lovely. We're going to do similar to the backstroke that we do. We get real big like this, which we're going to do next. But now, notice your elbow coming across your face. Oh. Maybe we'll just notice those beautiful church bells. If you can hear that. Hallelujah. Now, elbow in front of your face. Just feel it in the entirety of your back, your side body. Have a nice solid base down below. Kind of think maybe of the Matrix with this movement. Just be real intentional. Reach that elbow up and back and over, up and back and over. Breathe into one side and out to the other. Nicely done. Okay, so now we are going to do that where it's just, we're circling our arm back like we were in the pool in a backstroke. Breathe in and out. Get a little bit more dynamic. Open up a little wider. Oh, blue skies, crisp air. Beautiful, focused, intentional movement. Nice. Okay, well done. Let's begin to twist and just let the arms be. Sort of think of dead arms. Dead arm twist. Let the arms beat across your body. Just feel that sort of A tapping sensation is there. Ooh, my body's alive. Twist into it a little bit more. Turn your head, look behind you. Ooh, I can see everything's happening behind me. Oh, all these people around now. Where did they come from? Anytime, any place, we move our bodies without concern for others' opinion, judgments, or criticisms. You never know. We may inspire them to move as well. Your comments certainly do. Like the video, comment. It does inspire others to get out and move. Whew. Okay, nicely done. Whew. Okay, widen your stance a bit. It's a bit of a challenge for me still. It's all right, it's all right. We're gonna windmill. Breathe into one side, out to the other. I encourage you to bend down. If you can touch your toes, wonderful. I cannot yet. This is where I can comfortably move. You do the same. Not comparing ourselves to anybody. Not comparing myself what I could do a month ago. This is what I can do today. That acceptance allows us to really begin from where we're at, not where we want to be, wish to be. This is where it is. And let's go. Breathe in and out. You can shift your body weight from side to side as well. It's wonderful. Ooh, last one here. Excellent. Ooh, come on. Bring your feet in closer together now. We're just gonna swing our arms. Head up high. Look to the horizon. Just watch your breath and move with joy and wonder. This does feel nice. It's creating great mobility and flexibility in our shoulders, the upper back. Get playful down below as well. Just loosen the entire body. Smile if it seems appropriate. You have a laugh, yes. That's what I do like when there's people around. Let's not take ourselves so seriously. Ooh, it's that fine line. Take life seriously. Definitely honor everything we do, but don't take ourselves too seriously. Be playful, be joyful, have fun. Oh, excellent. Okay, I'm gonna do a little side step. Get the arms up nice and high. Point the toe when you step and twist into it. Pointing that toe, we're increasing our range of motion and mobility, flexibility in our ankles, in the knee there. Keeping our arms up nice and high. Increasing that flexibility in the upper back and spine. We twist a little deeper. Again, turn and look behind. Upper back, upper spine area. Ooh, yeah. So last movement for this session. So really connect to your breath here. Breathe in and out. Just be here in this movement. Nowhere to get to. Last one. Well done to you. Stand with me for just a moment. Mountain posture. Just stand with integrity. Shoulders back, head up high. Just notice. Pick a spot. Watch the mind and just be. Taking everything we've done. Yeah. Shake it out. Go have the most glorious day. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.